A very good morning to everybody. First of all, my apologies that I requested everybody to come a bit early because I was just sharing that Honorable Chief Minister is having a very detailed review with the collectors and the expert committee on the way COVID is progressing. Most respected Mike Muralidharan ji, and he's a dear friend. Of course, Kala Madam, Rajesh, Kansambi ji, everybody, all of us who are the Diwan of Prince, Diwan to the most respected Honorable Diwan to Prince of Orchard. Of course, our Satish Jupiter, very successful event manager. All dear friends who are there, doctors, NGOs and all. I just want two things to start with. First, the name alert. First, I should say that, they were so alert in the morning. I suddenly, as is the style of the government, putting them on the back foot, saying that, I can't come, stay beyond 10 because I have two PowerPoint presentation. They were very alert to ensure that it starts at 9:30, even though I came at 9:40. I requested them. So my salutations to you for being very considerate because this is at the next level. Second thing, you would have seen that, when they gave me such a heavy award, of course, I could not carry it myself. Mike held it. That is a symbol that, government cannot work on its own. It needs the support of NGOs, both of us when we join together. You had this successful Biocon, I had the privilege of awarding Biocon today. 12 more people, if I am correct, more than 180 people have applied. Concept we should understand. This is one function which I, in my previous stint of 6.5 years, this is of course 4th edition. Every time because of some clash, I used to regret missing such a wonderful function because I have always believed from the time of Kumbakonam tragedy or when I was Chennai Corporation Commissioner way back in 2000, that wherever, that time Exnora was doing a very big service, wherever we joined together, we have been able to break the cynicism. Every time, there will be cynics around saying that everything is a failure, things are not going well. But we are living. We are all part of the cynicism. So we have to break that. How we can break it? Through a non-competitive, complementary approach. That is where alert has come. And this alert has really hit the gap. I have seen, even when I drive a car of course we always stop and then ensure that the patient is moved. But general tendency is that anga கூட்டமா இருக்கு அப்படியே அவாய்ட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுங்க. அதை அவாய்ட் பண்ண வம்புங்க யாரோ அடிபட்டு விழுந்திருக்காங்க. So nobody feels that, I still remember 92 when somebody's body had to be removed. The local person was saying, sir, நம்ம வண்டியில் வேண்டாம். இப்போ அவன் செத்தே போயிட்டான் நம்ம வண்டியில் கொண்டு போகிறது. But then he appreciated it. Happened in Alanda, a village. To remove a body, people were not willing to take the body in a vehicle. So that has changed because alert has started honoring people who are addressing that critical gap. 108 is there, ambulances are there, hospitals are there. We are so happy, when I, somewhere in 96, 97, when I was in budget, Tamil Nadu used to be leader, 9,600 deaths. Later I found it is almost 16,000 odd deaths in road accident. Today in COVID, we lost 12,000 lives. Definitely we have to attend. But 16,000 deaths are not being attended to. People take it that, யாரோ இறந்து போயிட்டாரு, ஒரு ஆக்சிடென்ட்ல இறந்து போயிட்டாங்க. ஆனால் அந்த இறப்பு அதே மாதிரி thousands get maimed. They are not able to do their thing. But if they are attended to correctly, lives can be saved. So that is where this gap of, encouraging these good Samaritans, awarding them, asking them to apply, making them feel that, they are honored. They may be faceless, but they are the heroes. Again, I am telling you, here when you give, Poovinu or nurse irukkarunga. King Institute, nobody knows, but who goes inside and comes back and say, sir, Poovingara nurse ivlo nalla pandறாரு. Several unsung heroes are there in the system. What we provide is, we are one among equals. We are all in our places to ensure that we encourage that talent. That is what alert has been doing. I am sure that, more and more people should get involved once they get award. Biocon doesn't need an award, but still, Biocon has done so much. Similarly, each individuals, you have an individual category award, organization category award, so icon category. So all these awards are recognition for the kind of service and also encouragement for others. எதுக்குங்க போய் தொண்டு நிறுவனத்தில் போய் பணியாற்றுறீங்க? Not 3 days back I found in Avadi somebody is taking old cause, making it new and selling it at 20 rupees by rationing it. That's a new idea. ரியலி வண்டர்ஃபுல். பிகாஸ் இன்னும் ஃப்ரீயாக கொடுத்தா யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. ஆனால் நீங்கள் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கம்பேஷன் தொண்டை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறீங்க இல்லையா? All of us need to understand that we are all part of a society having greatest amount of challenges. Everywhere there is a challenge, and it is very easy to turn to social media to turn our ire. Don't stop that, but think what you can do. That is where alert is something which I really feel proud to get an opportunity to associate with it. From health department, we will utilize your services. You have already been doing so much of help and linking up with 108. That is why yesterday you would have seen that Tamil Nadu is a role model for other states. Not just because of reducing, it is because of an introduction of a Tamil Nadu Accident Emergency Initiative, for which alert plays a very important role. Plus IIT plays a very important role. I am not talking about health department. Similarly, road engineering plays a very important role. Then self-control plays a very important role. நம்ம ஓட்டும் போது என்ன நினைக்கிறோம், நம்ம 140 கோட்டிடலாம்ப்பா, யாருமே பார்க்கல. That should not be. We need to make ourselves aware. Finally I will end. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம தனியாக நிற்கிறோம், மாஸ்க் போட்டுக்கல, தப்பே கிடையாது. ஆனால் ஒரு பெரிய ரூம், closed room, crowded place. Let us not think that the mask is for, I really appreciate madam. நான் அஃப்கோர்ஸ் பேசுகிறதா இல்லை, பாதி பேர் இப்போது என்ன பேசுகிறான்னு புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் மாஸ்க். பட் ஐ ஆல்வேஸ் அட்வொகேட் தட் க்ரோஸ் பிளேஸ், க்ரௌடட் பிளேஸ் கான்டாக்ட்ஸ், மேரேஜ் ஆர் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் வென் வி ஹோல்ட் விதின் அவர் செல்ஸ் வேண்டாம். யாருமே அங்கே சேர்ந்து சாப்பிட்ற இடத்துல தான் பரவுறது. எல்லாரும் கேட்குறாங்க, தானாக குறையலைங்க, நீங்கள்லாம் உதவி பண்ணி தான் குறைஞ்சது. பப்ளிக் பப்ளிக் ஹெல்த் மெஷர்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்க. இதை நம்ம மறந்துட்டு குறைஞ்சா தானாக குறையிறது, அதிகரித்தா எப்படி அதிகரிச்சேன்னு கேட்குறோம். நான் நேற்றுக்கு டி நகர் போனேங்க, 60% to 70% ஆர் வேரிங் மாஸ்க். ஆனால் வேற ஒரு இடம் போனேன், 0% வேரிங் மாஸ்க். நம்மளோட நிகழ்ச்சினா மாஸ்க் வேண்டாம், கூட்டம்னா மாஸ்க் வேண்டாம். நானே இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போகும்போது அப்படி இடிக்கிறாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு கொரோனா இருக்கலாம், நமக்கு கொரோனா இருக்க, என்னால் அவருக்கு பரலாம், அவர்னால எனக்கு பரலாம். I have made it a practice that if I visit a corona ward without taking a bath, apart from wearing PPE, I don't go to the next locality. Tiruvika Nagarலேருந்து நான் இன்னொரு ஏரியாவுக்கு போகிறதில்ல. I should not spread the disease. பட் இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் பின்பற்றினதுனால தான் கம்மியாச்சு. ஆகஸ்ட்டில் we had the most saddest day, 15th August, Independence Day. 127 people had died due to corona. Today it is less than 10, sometimes below 5. Who made it? Apart from the doctors, nurses and all, you all made it. You all contributed. So I will not take much time because I have to rush for another presentation. But I would love to say that, the kind of people they have invited, I shouldn't mix up his wonderful MC's papers. I have mixed it up, I think, like a pack of cards. So thinking that it's the next award, it is coming in serial, kindly adjust it. But each one is a icon in himself. Each one of you are heroes. எவ்ரி ஒன். நான் எல்லாரையும் நீங்கள்லாம் நம்மளோட கான்ட்ரிபியூஷனை டோன்ட் ஃபீல் தட் இட் இஸ் என்னால் என்ன போகிறது அப்படின்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. உங்களால் ஒரு கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் பண்ண முடிஞ்சதுன்னா இட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் நினச்சி இந்த தொண்டு இதெல்லாம் நல்லா வரணும். நாகப்பட்டினம்னு எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவாங்க. சுனாமி எக்ஸாம்பிளில் 650 crore of investment NGOs made in Nagapattinam in first year because we hand joined together. தனித்தனியாக இருந்தால் வந்திருக்காது. இதோட அலர்ட் வளரணும், அலர்ட்டோட கன்செப்ட் வளரணும், அலர்ட்டோட அவார்டீஸ் should be inspiration for others. Those who have applied should not lose heart. They will definitely be awarded in the next occasion. சொல்லி I will have to rush to that presentation of the health committee and the collectors meeting னு சொல்லி எனக்காக நீங்கள் முன்னாடி வந்தது உங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றி கூறி, knowing Chennai trafficங்க, I shouldn't reach later and I have to climb the 10 floors otherwise. Thank you one and all. Wish alert all the best, entire trustee group, and of course our Diwan is there encouraging. A lot of people are there to encourage the remaining awardees, and I am sure Mahesh Agarwal should be able to, our commissioner will be able to join quickly. Thank you.